I've decided to give Percy his bone out and I'm so excited. Ready? Percy. What's this? What's this? Should we put this on you? Should we have you be a handsome boy? Aww. Look. Put it on my ear as well. Look at you! Come here! Come here! Look at you! Oh, you're so handsome! You're so handsome! Look at you! Percy! So I would say happy Saturday, but if you've watched my last few videos, you would know that my plan for this weekend was to do some Christmas shopping. Finally do some Christmas shopping because I'm very behind schedule on that, like in that respect. So I was going to do some Christmas shopping today and meet Tegan. Sorry, I am moisturising at the same time. I was going to meet Tegan and we're going to watch Wicked because you haven't watched that yet. So tell me why we got a notification last night saying about a red weather warning from 3 o'clock onwards, 3 o'clock this morning onwards, until I think 11 o'clock, and then it's an amber warning from 11 o'clock until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So thankfully I didn't miss that notification, but I was in the shower when it came through and my parents were like, oh my god, it scared us. Some of my friends messaged in the group chat being like, it scared us, like we weren't expecting it to be that loud, but I missed it because I was in the shower, so I didn't actually hear it until 3 o'clock this morning. It decided to go off at 3 o'clock this morning. I jumped out of my skin. I was in bed. I had to calm myself down because of this red weather warning come through, alerted me like proper siren at 3 o'clock this morning. So that was a very rude awakening, to be honest. But I managed to get back to sleep, and now it is Saturday morning, or midday actually. We've had a little bit of kind of productive. I brought stuff up from downstairs. It's currently on my bed waiting for me to then sort it out. But I was going to go to Cardiff, I was going to do some Christmas shopping, I was going to get my eyebrows done, look at the lights, have a bit of a festive afternoon and watch Wicked, but that is not going to happen anymore. So I'm going to be festive and productive at home instead and maybe go tomorrow, but it's kind of messed around my weekend a little bit. Antiqua's not free tomorrow, so it would just be a day out in Cardiff tomorrow, just trying to do some Christmas shopping, which I don't think is going to be that much of an issue. I think that could be quite nice. I might see if my parents want to go. But yeah, so we're going to pop to VFM now to pick up some food for Christmas, and then Asda. So I really want to find a gingerbread making kit, or a gingerbread house decorating kit. So I'm going to get some of those, and we need ham. And I bought some tzatziki and cherry tomatoes for like dips. I bought them yesterday when I was on lunch because I was really hungry and I was like, oh, it's tzatziki, so let's get some tzatziki. But it's going to be a productive day instead and hopefully start decorating. But yeah, now it's time to pop out in the torrential rain and go shopping.
Moment. Our cashier is on their way. Till number 5, opening shortly. Byddwn yn agor till rhif 5 yn y man. Mae ein harian o'r arau ffordd. Till...
Got some sold as Euro dips in Home Bargain. Skinny Charlotte Tilbury. They are so soft. Honestly, I forgot how nice the Home Bargains bedding range is. Look at the mugs as well. So this is what I got in the shop today. Got the 2 gingerbread house decorating kits and building kits, and then some things to go with that. So chocolate fingers, icing, sprinkles, and then these are to go with it as well. Those to eat now. Some other stuff then. Those are for the dogs. And yeah. So the bed behind me is getting messier and messier with stuff that needs to be put away, which I will sort out this afternoon, but not yet. First I'm having a cup of tea and relaxing, because we've been to Home Bargains and then to, well, my mum went to VFM, I went to Home Bargains and then went to Asda to pick up some more stuff. I've come back with, this was 1 bag out of 2. The other has been sorted out and put away downstairs. That's just got some stuff for Christmas in there, including little dog treats, which I'll give them at some point. But we're not doing the gingerbread houses today. My brother's not feeling 100%. So mum's making Christmas cake, and I'm gonna say this in the very loose way, assist her making the Christmas cake, have a cup of tea, and potentially start decorating for Christmas. I know it's later than a few people would decorate, but we have our traditions and we do it a bit later because of birthdays that are in early December, so we like to get those out of the way first before then we decorate. So we might start decorating and bringing the decorations down today, although I do have, and I just realised, and I am going to take this downstairs, is from when we went on the Norwegian Fjords cruise. We've got a bauble from Norway, so I need to bring this down and that'll definitely be going on the tree. But yeah, we're going to bring the decorations down potentially, start decorating. My mum got this massive garland that we can put in the kitchen, like above the shelves as well, so that'll be really nice. But step one is cup of tea. We'll take this down, cup of tea, and start on the Christmas cake, and then it's going to be so festive. I think I'm going to try and get shopping tomorrow. I did speak to my mum. Her and my dad are going into town tomorrow as well, so I'll go with them. But it's meant to be a nice day tomorrow, but I have just cleared all the rubbish from the front garden where things have just been windswept over to our garden and things. It's an absolute nightmare. Like, seeing the damage that's been done while we're going to VFM and Asda and everywhere, it's insane. Hello. So we've had quite a productive day. We ended up going, like I said, to VFM and Home Bargains, came back, started doing the Christmas cake with my mum, which I really think she regrets asking me to help, because she asked me for the sugar and I ended up putting a bit of flour in, so that was a bit tragic, but she managed to save it. Then we watched Nativity 2. I haven't seen that one. My mum's only just recently watched the first Nativity, but because we watched that together the other day, we watched Nativity 2. Put up a garland in the kitchen and that looks really nice, and I brought some boxes down from the attic with Christmas decorations in, so that's going to be ready now to start decorating properly. She's also changed all the pillowcases, so they're Christmassy pillowcases. And then my dad came home from work and we had paninis, cucumber and carrot sticks, and tzatziki, and Ritz like crackers and cheese dip. That was really nice. And now I kind of neglected the pile on my bed that needs tidying. Like, when I say neglected, it's not the nicest, but I have downloaded a Nonsense Christmas with Sabrina Carpenter to try and get me through the next, well, however long that takes me. So that is the next step, is tidying up.
It's the most nonsense time of the year.
So I managed to sort out all my stuff. I've popped it all away, apart from some pyjamas, which I'll do in the morning. And this is a pile of stuff that I just kind of quickly went through my wardrobe and I was like, do you know what? I don't actually wear these. So these are coming out to make room for new stuff. I did also find my graduation dress from way back when. And yeah, I kind of thought that was a little bit creased. So we'll keep that out for now. And then kind of just outfit planning as well. So that is pretty much what I'm doing with my evening now. I'm just going to pop them to one side and then sort them out in the morning. Well, I'm planning to go to Cardiff tomorrow, so they'll just have to be sorted out as and when, I think, but it will be tomorrow. I'm going to look at a few outfits, go downstairs, watch Twisters with my mum and dad, and go to bed. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and comment down below, and I will see you all again soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye!